Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down again, tap on Device Lock and click on Screen Lock. After that, select the best login method for you by clicking on it, pattern, PIN or password. Finally, you can enter your login method. If you make the mistake, click on Clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. If you wish to continue, click on Next at the bottom right one. Now repeat it in order to confirm it and click on Confirm at the bottom right corner. Over here, you need to click on the best option for you to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so I have to click on it and save my choice by choosing Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!